Imagine waking up every morning with a smile that radiates confidence. No more hiding, no more pain, no more embarrassment. At the Dental Implant Institute in Las Vegas, we've perfected the art and science of full-mouth dental implants, transforming thousands of lives with permanent solutions that look, feel, and function exactly like natural teeth. Through our revolutionary technique, we can replace all your damaged teeth with a complete set of beautiful permanent implants in just one visit. No more removable dentures. No more difficulty eating. No more self-consciousness when you speak or laugh. Dr. Cha and our specialized team bring over 3 decades of focused experience exclusively in full-mouth reconstruction. We create custom solutions that perfectly complement your facial structure and restore full functionality. Contact Dental Implant Institute today for your complimentary consultation and take the first step toward the life-changing smile you deserve.